Good morning, everybody. It's Kathy's Corner, and it is April 17th. I hope you all had a great spring break with your families and everyone is well. And today in Kathy's Corner, I'm going to read a book. It's called The Mermaid Sisters. And I'm going to have a tip for going to the pool or the beach with a hearing impaired child. Mermaid Sister. My brother Gordy is a pain in the patootie. What I really want is a sister. I have a plan. I throw the bottle into the ocean and wait. In no time at all, my plan works. My name is Shelley. I say, would you like to be my sister? Of course, that means Gordy would be your brother too. My name is Coral, she says. I've always wanted a sister, and Gordy can't be worse than my little brother Sandy. Sandy is a pain in the flipper. With the next big wave, I take her to meet my family. This isn't like keeping a pet fish, says my father. Would I have to make tuna casserole every night? Asked my mother. She smells, says my brother. But when everyone sees how determined we are, they agree to give it a try. I want Coral to feel welcome, so I let her watch her favorite shows. I also make her peanut butter and jellyfish sandwiches. She especially likes to put salt and seaweed in the tub and sings whale songs. Soon she is settled in, very settled in. You can tell we are sisters because we are so much alike. We both like to dance. I do hip hop and she does flip flop. We both read the newspaper. I read the comics and she reads title charts. And we both agree Gordy is a big pain in the patootie. It's great having a sister. I could do things with her I can't do with a little brother. But guess what? My mermaid sister can be a pain in the patootie too. She leaves scales on my favorite blouses and keeps her tuna can collection in my closet. And she plays with Gordy. That was not part of the plan. We have our first sister fight. It gets a little rough. And then a little quiet. And then we make up. I think something is still bothering Coral. I have a plan. A day at the beach to cheer her up. My plan works, and we are all having a great time until Coral wants to go home. I know I'm going to miss my mermaid sister, but guess what? she had a plan too. Look, she has a little brother too. For her brother. So now we're going to have Lucia. Come on in, Lucia. And we're going to have Lucia tell you my parent tip for going to the beach or the pool with a hearing impaired child. Lucia, take it over.
Okay, when your child goes in the water at the ocean or the pool, just make sure that they have someone with them, or make sure that the lifeguard is aware that there's a deaf child in the water. With the person that they're with, make sure they, make up a hand gesture, or they can sign to each other about what's going to happen in the water, or something's happening that they need to get out of the water immediately. My person I have with me is my sister, and we have a lot of gestures to know if the lifeguard is telling us to move over or get out. And I just think it's important. Also, it's just it makes your child a lot more safer than they are alone. So that's my tip for today.
That's awesome, Lucia.
Thank you.
Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed Kathy's Corner. I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend.
Bye.